It just arrived. It's amazing. I have to do a full sort of install of all this stuff. I have to do some coding, change some settings.
Did you really think I wasn't gonna print and bind the manual? Are we forgetting what channel we're on?
But
So presumptuous.
I can't say enough about this hilt. This is designed by my favorite of all time, Sabersmith, Master Starfall, has blessed us. The hilt is amazing. It's a speeder bike Saber. It has so much potential to it. Like he says, it's a blank canvas, so I can't wait to do stuff to it. I did get both sleeves so that I have a bit of some changes. One thing I will say, if you're gonna get it, do get the knurled grip, because if you want to do some handling or some spinning, the other one I find is far too smooth. This is from ThePachStore. It's got the Asteria board in it. It's got gesture controls on and off. I mean, it's incredible.
I'm no Jedi. Hello there. Let negotiations begin.